Hello students, today's topic is playing cards. In quality it is playing cards. So playing cards containing 52 cards. Actually it has only 13 cards of 4 suits, namely spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. That means to say कि 52 cards now distributed in 4 suits: spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. Now the cards of spades and clubs are black cards. Card of hearts and diamonds are red card. It means it containing two types of the cards having red and blacks. Now the second point is the cards in each suit are, as I told you above, there are 13 cards. So what are the 13 cards? The cards in each suit are ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. These are the 13 cards in which kings, queen, point number 3, in which the kings, queen, jack are known as face card. So there are in all 12 face cards. Understood? We can easily understood by seeing the flow, by drawing the flow charts. See how we will draw it and we will understand it by drawing a flow chart. See it. Firstly, playing cards having 52 cards. They are divided into two colors, red and black. Means 52 is divided into two colors, 26 and 26. Now red cards again divided into two parts or two suits, that is one it is heart and one it is diamonds. And here also black card divided into two suits, that is called clubs and spades. So here it is heart, total card 13, diamonds total card 13, clubs 13 and spades 13. 13, 13, 13 and 13. Total it is 52 cards. It means each card containing 4 suits. Each card containing 4 suits. That is, suppose we taken an ace, the ace having the 4 cards, that is heart, diamonds, clubs and spades. Understood? So this is the distribution of the cards. Now we will see the question, how we will solve the question based on this. Understood? As I told you, each card having the 4 suits. Either we will take A, J, K, Q, 10, 9, 8 and whatever we will take in, they all having the 4 cards. Then 13 cards multiplied by 4, the total is 52 cards. Now we will see the question, how we will solve it. So here the question is, one card is drawn from a Bell Shuffle deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a face card, B a red suit and C an ace. So how we will solve it? As we know that in a card's total card it is given 52. Total cards in a playing cards are 52. Now face card. So there are 12 face cards, as I told you. So here we have favorable outcomes are 12. So probability equal to 12 by 52, that is 3 by 13. Now red suits are 26. So probability equal to 26 by 52 equal to 1 by 2. And total is for question number C, total is, as I told you, each card having 4 suits, so total is equal to, it is 4, that is probability equal to 4 by 52, that means 1 by 13. So we will solve the question like this when it is given the questions.